In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to extract images from PDF. If you've ever needed the original photos or graphics from a PDF, maybe for a presentation, a design project, or to reuse a logo, this quick walkthrough will show you how to pull them out cleanly without taking screenshots or losing quality. First, open your web browser and head to smallpdf.com/extractimages. This is the specific tool dedicated to pulling images out of a PDF, not converting entire pages to pictures. Double check that the page mentions extracting images so you know you're in the right place. A stable internet connection helps here, especially if your PDF is on the larger side. Next, upload your PDF file. You can click the upload area to browse your computer, or simply drag and drop the file onto the page. Give the file a clear name so you can recognize it easily. If your PDF has many pages, or if it contains high-resolution photos, the upload might take a moment. Just let it finish. Keep in mind that this tool looks for images that are actually embedded in the PDF. If the document is mostly text or vector graphics, there may be few or no images to extract. Also, make sure you have the right to use the images in the PDF, especially if it's from a third party. Once your file is uploaded, click Extract Images. The tool will scan the document and locate embedded photos and graphics. It doesn't rewrite or photograph your pages. It looks for image objects inside the file, which helps preserve the original resolution where possible. Processing time varies with file size and image count, so be patient if it's a large document. If your PDF was created by scanning and then saving as a flat image per page, the tool may not detect distinct embedded images, because in that case, each page is essentially one big picture rather than separate elements. A few quick tips as it works. Avoid closing the tab or refreshing the page. That will interrupt the process. If nothing is found, it's often a sign that your PDF doesn't contain separate image objects. In that scenario, consider whether the document originated from a scan or if the graphics are actually vector shapes rather than photos. If the upload fails, check your connection and confirm the file isn't corrupted. That's it. By going to the correct page, uploading your PDF, and clicking Extract Images, you'll let the tool do the heavy lifting. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you get the visuals you need quickly and cleanly.